JessicaBee, what you doing? Who said that? At what point in the did I say you could use your phone? You do not get phone privileges. Pull out your math book. Well guys, if you have made it this far in the video, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I purchased this salt and pepper unit from Love Me through Amazon, so I'm going to have everything linked below. There are a few things I need to work on, like my baby hairs and stuff like that, but overall I am extremely pleased with this unit. I found it to be very beautiful. The hair texture was bomb. Okay, the only little setback was just how it was cut in the back, but that was an easy fix. Anyway, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you're having a blessed day, evening, night, weekend, whatever part of your day it is. I hope that you are blessed, that you're feeling great, and check out some of my YouTube shorts. I did one in particular for this unit, but shout out to Love Me Hair. I absolutely adore this unit. Have a great day, guys.